Hello everyone! I'm back to celebrate my first birthday in heaven with you. Alam ko masakit pa din sa inyo ang pag-alis ko, lalo na sa pamilya ko. Tuinang, kapatid, pamangkin, apo, Andrew, at tatang. Huwag na malungkot, naragsak na kundito'y sidong ni Apo. I'm healed by God, and no more pain. I'm always here guiding you. To all my relatives, friends, at sa lahat ng sumuporta during my battle. Maraming salamat po. Love ko kayong lahat. And to those fighting for sickness, kaya natin yan. Have faith. Cheers on my first birthday in heaven.